Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to turn on Instagram Blend. So this will be a fun way to share and explore reels with your friends in a single shared feed. Before anything else, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. In order to do this, simply navigate to Play Store, then click on the search icon, search for Instagram and click on the update icon you will see just right here. So this is the most crucial step because Instagram Blend is the newest feature of Instagram. Now, once your app is updated, open Instagram and tap the messenger icon in the top right of the screen. Now, this will open up your DMs. Here, you'll have to simply pick any one-on-one chat because Blend only works with individual chats, not group messages. Tap on the chat of the person you want to blend with. So I'm going to click on this chat and I will be able to see all the chats with this person. Now, to activate Blend, send a reel to your friend, and once you've done this, Instagram may show you a Start Blend button or automatically offer the option to enable it. You can also see that option at the top right of the screen, that is just right here. So you have three options. The first one is Blend, second one is Calling, and third one is Video Call. Click on the Blend icon. And if you don't see the option yet, try sending a couple of reels back and forth to that person and Instagram activates Blend once it detects frequent content sharing. So on this page, you'll have to basically click on the invite icon. And if your friend sends you a Blend invite, you will receive a prompt inside the chat. Just tap join Blend to activate button. So I will click here invite button and an invite will be sent to my friend as you can see. Now I will open my friend's account and here you can see your friend will receive an invitation that will look something like this. So click on go to Blend button and click on join. Now after your friend click on join, you and your friend will be easily able to join the Blend and watch reels together. You can see who each reel is suggested for, message the chat about reels you find, and once Blend is on, you will start seeing a shared reel feed between you and your friend based on the reels you both like and share. And once that's enabled, every time you visit the chat, you will see a section at the top showing reels curated specifically for you two. It's a personalized content experience you both can scroll through together. And that's the simple way through which you can turn on and use the Blend feature on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.